We all find ourselves in a situation whereby we have free time, not really free time in terms of free time, but we have opportunities whereby we have the chance to create things, or we decide to take that time to rest or do other things that are not important as much. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and happy new month. We just entered the month of February, and today I'm going to be sharing majorly the past 1 month, how I've reflected on it and the things I experienced. And the first thing I'm going to be talking about is, like, yesterday I visited a friend and we spoke about some other things, and he mentioned something about keeping a diary. And me personally, thinking about keeping a diary is a no-go, because I just feel if you don't have the right or the emotions to express what you are feeling or to say what you are feeling, and you're just writing it down, it seems as if you are stabbing yourself slowly. But there was a disagreement based on it feels there are other things that people are not just meant to know, they are meant to write. I don't know if I'm the one. If you think the same way, you can just drop in the comment section, because I personally feel if there are things that you cannot say outside, so why are you writing it down? Just as if you happen to have so many bad days and you try to write your bad days, you just keep on reminding you of what happens. Just a good way that I actually feel that this such thing can be reduced as having a gratitude mindset. Sometimes we hope to have everything we want, but at the same time we don't get everything we want. So as I was saying, when you talk about gratitude, it's like you definitely probably don't have what you want, but at the same time you have more than what you need. Because it's something that I experience a lot with so many people. They just give excuses whereby they say, I'm not ready, what I need is not complete. But at the same time, what if what you have is all you need? Have you ever thought about that? What if all you had is what you actually need? So what's the purpose of asking for more when you've not actually used the little you have? So I feel that was my basic experience throughout the month of January, because I found myself in a state whereby even though I had not gotten exactly all I wanted, I've gotten most of the things I needed to get what I wanted. And that's something most people fail to realize. And even the fact that it strikes me different, whereby you see someone that they have a phone, something like this. They want to start a YouTube channel or they want to start something, and their excuse is that the phone is not good enough. I need to get a camera before I can start. But what if you get a camera and later find out that being on camera is not what you want or what you need? That means those set of persons have wasted time, they've wasted money, they've wasted resources, and moreover, they wasted their own life. So I feel using what you currently have is probably the best thing you can do. And that's something that, if I can relate it very well, is if you happen to read the Bible, there is this story about where a servant, like three servants, their master gave them coin to use, and one of the servants was like, oh, this coin is small, they just gave me one. The remaining two, he gave them, I think, 3 and 5. By the time the servant was coming back, by the time the master came back, he was like, hey, my faithful servant, let me see what you guys have done with what I've given you. Then the first one, he gave 5, came back and said, I have doubled it, so I have another 5. The other one also, he has doubled his own, is 3 to 6. While the last one was like, I felt that what you gave me was too small, so I went to bury it. And now the master was so angry to the point that I was like, why would you bury it? Like, I didn't even get, why would you bury it? Why don't you even give it to the bank? That means there are some things that you have, literally, that if you are not even using it, the master is angry at you. Forget the stuffs are not being, they are not yielding fruit. As long as they are not using it, it is better to give it to the bank. And you know the bank are the slowest at making it good. Just imagine. So you are giving it to the least person to make it good. So why don't you just stop the excuse form of when things are right? Because the truth is that things will never be right. We make things right by ourselves. So I also have an interesting update based on the fact that I've been working on my tech for a while now. I happen to be guided by someone that is really doing very well in tech himself. Now, I'm so happy to announce that we are going to be launching a app. This app is mainly a student app, so it helps students to get information, create community. It helps to aid learning. It helps to aid learning, and we are hoping to reach our first 1,000 subscribers in a week. So I'm going to be dropping the link on how to get to the app. The name of the app is ABS. So you can literally just search for it on Play Store. Whereby when you search for it on Play Store, you download it and start using the features. We have the AI features and we have other features that you can explore as students, which will make your education learning easier for you. Another thing that really struck me was the fact that we have very little people that keep to commitment. Like they don't even commit to themselves, they don't commit to their families, they don't commit to their friends. And the funniest thing is that commitment is something that separates men from boys. Yeah, because boys they are people that talk with the word, but people that talk with action, they don't need to shout. Like they are when they speak, their words have meaning. So with all this said, the last thing I'm going to finish with is counting the cost of what you want. Counting the cost. Now, when it comes to counting the cost, many people don't realize is that we all find ourselves in a situation whereby we have free time. Not really free time in terms of free time, but we have opportunities whereby we have the chance to create things, or we decide to take that time to rest or do other things that are not important as much. So I feel if you are opportune to have a free time wherever you are, maybe at your job, at your school, you need to prepare as if there's not going to be another free time. Yeah, so you need to buy more time and work as much, so that by the time people don't have the option of getting their time, you are there to get your own time and control your own time, because if you're controlling people's time, that's just the simple truth. So thank you for watching today's video. This is a video mainly for my art. Yeah, just self-talk, and the talk whereby it's something it's as if there are so much walking dead humans, to the point that like it's not everybody that is an asshole or everybody that is shit. So there are still some people trying to do things right and trying to put things in place. So do have a great day and God bless. Hoping to see you in the next video, and please don't forget to check out the app I spoke about in the description below. You can kindly search it on Play Store, ABS.